Alright, welcome everybody. Sort of a break from the marble run thing today, because I must be back tomorrow with more of it. But just today, I've had this sitting around for a month or so now, I'd say. And I just sort of thought, it's only 40-something pieces, so it ought to be a quick one-day build, I think. Fingers crossed. And, so I just want to jump in, let's say, just do something sort of break up the builds a little bit. That being said, let's pop her open and see what we got. I don't know if it's, it looks like pretty, it's pretty tough plastic. Sometimes it tears, sometimes it don't. This is not tear one. Alright. Let's see here. You over there. Okay. I guess that's the instructions there. Okay. That's different. Okay, it's only 2 sheets worth of pieces. So are they? And they are doing the UGEARS thing where you're using the pieces in order, it looks like. 1, 2, 4. Alright. Cat's in here to visit me. One thing I'm noticing that I thought it was a real clock. I thought it had actual movement in it, but evidently it does not. Because I do not see anything to charge it, so I guess it's just a look at piece. I thought it was one of those things like we used to do in high school shop class, where they had like the little thing in the battery and it ran the, okay. But this is just strictly a decoration piece. That gives me hope that the gears and cogs will actually do something then. Although in the picture it doesn't look like they weave together. So we'll find out as we go along. Okay, I'm gonna as few pieces as there are, I think I'm just gonna null them out just right here and do them all at once, and you'll save y'all the trouble of having to watch me struggle with all that. Alright, so I'll be right back with that. Okay, I counted them. There are 39 actual pieces, and there's 4 spare pieces, so it's 43 total, but there's only 39 in the actual piece. Oh. Cat just got a new toy. Yep, she's killing it. And she just threw it into the door. Here you go. Meal. Okay, so she distracted me. Okay, let's get down to business here. So, I'm sort of curious if that's coming up on the microphone mic. This one. Yeah, looks like it. That's still her. I've long since given up on actually buying her real cat toys. Now just whatever scraps I can find. Take a paper clip, not a paper clip, but a zip tie, and cut it where it's got the little thing, and she goes nuts for that. Came out. Let's see. Those guys all in there. And it says you're supposed to wax these things, but I'm going to forego the wax this time, the lubrication, because it doesn't look like there's any major interlocking pieces that would require too much in the way of what do you call it, lubrication. those are still spinning. And then, okay, let's see here. That goes. Yeah, good. These smaller pieces go over the gears. Alright. Yep, that's the smaller one. Is that gonna line up? Okay, it is. Trying to see. I guess it's supposed to go further than that. Oh, but it's lined up perfectly. Did I put it on backwards or something? Was that symmetrical? No, it was not. I bet that's what it was. I'm supposed to go. No, that wouldn't be right either. Well, let's try it anyway. I can't remember if it was symmetrical or not, so let's pull it off. Was not symmetrical. Get my specs out, see if I can see the detail. Looks like. Okay. Looks like. Yeah, looks like I had it right. That's supposed to go all the way on there. This on. No, wait a second. Wait a second. This is supposed to go up through. Okay. I wasn't pushing it far enough. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, small end goes up. So, yeah. You go on there. You go on there. I see what I've done. Yeah, now this goes into here and lock those gears. And this one goes on top to lock it in place. If I didn't just drop it out. Yeah, there we go. Now, those guys all turn each other. Yeah, okay. Mostly. Okay, I may need to put some lube in there. Okay, now what we're doing. That's 4, 5. Okay, so we'll put you to the side for now. This one. This one. That. Through here. Go through here. And you go on the front to lock that one in. The bottom one, yeah, the middle. Okay, yeah. Now, 17. Once again, this goes. Yeah. There. There. Okay. Intermingle with that one. This one locks that one in. In theory. Oh, that was snug. Crooked. Alright, I got it. Okay. Now, here, Q. Okay. 3 of you guys in there. Everybody in nice and smooth. Okay. And you go through here, lock in that one, and this one. So, however it lines, yeah, there it goes. So now we get that kind of motion, yeah. That's a little wobbly. Yeah, okay. Let's see. Now, you go all the way through the middle there, and put our minute hand on you, I think. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Yeah, okay. And okay, evidently it's important to line that up. I think that's what that's saying. Pay attention to do this. And then this guy. We got all through there. Okay. Got a little gap going thing there. Okay. And back here. You go. So that's gonna. Okay, so that's gonna turn both of them. I get this. The different gear ratios there. Okay, so it's going to turn at different rates. Cool, that's neat. Okay, now let's put all these little doodads on. Guess 27, get 2 of those on there. And these get 1 a piece on these. Other way, there we go. I can't get a good grip of anything. Everything's spinning. Okay. Q. 1 more on there. We get some. The really decorative one down the bottom. The fairly decorative one in the middle. And the not so decorative one on the top. go into those 4 holes there. Oh, and it does. Ooh. Meld intermingle. If I can get it to go all the way down. Okay. Okay, so okay, yep. I'm gonna have to go back and get the petroleum jelly out. Yeah, everything's well. That's the final assembled assembly. Let's see. I think. Okay, there we go. To a degree. Yeah, gonna have to. There. Alright, that's pretty cool. A lot more cogs and, like I say, the gear ratios make the minute hand go faster than the hour hand. Now the question is it legit? Okay, so 6. No, I don't think it's accurate. Let's go try it back. That hit midnight there. Okay, so it's midnight, so... No, it is not a legitimate second hand, minute hand thing, but you can set the time to whatever time you want it to, it looks like. That's getting more and more. Alright. That's, I say, I'm disappointed it's not a real clock, but I do like the clockwork nature of it. You know, everything spins. Like I said, the base one's down there. Everything tied together. Even the back decorative ones spin. That's that. It's been long enough where I don't remember how much I paid for it. But if it's less than $15, I'd definitely say that's worth it. Matter of fact, let me look it up right quick, maybe. Still under 20 minutes. Let's see here. Oh, that's not what I want. Nope, that's not what I wanted. Come. Let's see, how much did that clock cost? Currently, lists on Amazon for $13.99 US. I'd say that's worth $14. I got at least $14 worth of entertainment out of it. A little bit smaller than I want, but it's a good little. It looks neat and it'd be a conversation piece, no doubt. And if you're trying to explain gear ratios or how these things work, it'd be something to you could sort of demonstrate with. That one doesn't look like it's gone all the way in. Maybe it has. I guess it has because it was functioning. Yeah. All right. Okay, I'm gonna stop there. As always, folks, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share, do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another. Stay healthy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.